isoquants. Basically, it shows the rate at which one factor must be decreased to attain the same level of productivity when one factor is increased. MRTS is given by the formula minus delta K divided by delta L, or we can say that marginal productivity of labor divided by marginal productivity of capital. Where K is capital, L is labor, MP is marginal product of each input, delta K and delta L shows the amount of capital that can be reduced when labor is increased. We can calculate MRTS with the help of graph. When we move from A to B, we can see our change in labor is 5 units and change in capital is 3 units. So our MRTS equals to 3 by 5. We can calculate it on other points as well. Types of isoquants. Basically, isoquants are of 3 types: smooth and convex isoquant, linear isoquant, input-output isoquants. When one of the factors of production can be continuously substituted by the other, we get smooth and convex isoquant. Linear isoquant, it is possible in the case of perfectly substitute goods, and input-output isoquant is possible only if we have perfectly complementary goods. It is also known as Leontief isoquant. Ridge lines and economic region of production. Basically, the ridge lines are the locus of points of isoquants where our marginal productivity of inputs is 0. The upper ridge line, it implies 0 marginal productivity of capital, and it implies lower ridge line implies 0 marginal productivity of labor. Production and techniques are efficient only inside these ridge lines, and outside these ridge lines, production is inefficient because our marginal productivity is negative. For example, if too much labor is used, there may be congestion and the efficiency of all the laborers may be affected. But an isoquant will denote all the points because it denotes all the points, all the combinations of inputs which give same level of output. For example, we can see with the help of example also. For example, OT units of labor is used and ST units of capital is used to produce 100 units of output. We can also produce this 100 units with the help of less amount of capital, that is VT. So a wise producer always choose VT amount. He never goes for the ST amount. So it concludes that ridgelines includes the area only. Ridgelines only includes the economic region of production. That's all from our side. If there is any question from your side, it is highly appreciated.